You see a lot of random stuff here at Tokyo Auto Salon, but I've never seen a tractor. This thing's pretty cool. They got a bunch of Fiats here in Japan, so we're just gonna walk around here and show you guys what they have. I gotta see this Miata real quick though. What? And see? That's kind of cool. That's different. A little speedster top thing going on over there. Fancy. Stock looking GTRs. Crazy wing stand. Pretty cool, pretty cool. There's a Super GT, what is that, Supra? At the WEDS booth. I don't go too close because I know they're working on their booth. They got a bunch of these little box K-car things. Little camper. What is that, like AC? That's so funny. I've never seen this Toyota. Like a oversized front grille from a Tundra or something. Ooh, drift cars. These guys are always here every year. That's cool. What the heck is it? Oh, it's a Lexus. Is that the LBX? What's over here? GR86 with... What the hell is that? Little thing sticking out. OGZ. Nice. This looks like a friggin' Jetsons car. 33 Slammies from 326 Power. These guys are pretty cool. More drift cars over here. If you guys didn't know, there are a bunch of halls here at Tokyo Auto Salon. So I think hall 1 to 8 are in the same building, and then the other ones are on different buildings. Pretty cool. Land Cruisers. Look at this Jimny with Toyo RTs. Pretty weird looking FD Corvette. Did you notice this? I literally just noticed that this has a Corvette rear end, FD front end. What the hell is that? That's crazy. Little mating of USDM and JDM. I mean, I'm not mad at it. Look at cantilever suspension back here. Dude, talk about being different. What's over there? Anything cool? These are not G-Wagons, and I know you guys are gonna think these are G-Wagons. These are actually Suzuki Jimnys with a body kit. They make them look like Jeeps, they make them look like Land Cruisers, they make them look like G-Wagons. So cool, right? Ah, it's so cute. There's a bunch of them here. And then looks like there's some cars missing in this booth. Bunch of like stock looking cars, but you'll find a couple of wild Hondas here as well. I forgot who makes this body kit for this GR86, but I saw it last year. It's got this like crazy fin looking thing over here. Front fenders. Pretty wild. Got an EG. Nice. 32 S14. What is this? S14? Nice. Super GT car. What? Oh, this is Mira-san's new project? What is this? It's like this is the K car that he mentioned last year. He was like, Dion, do you want to build one of these? It's basically like a baby R32 GTR, but smunched up. This is a base K car, by the way. This is like a K car that you can buy. And then he made the body kit. It's so funny. Yo, man. This is so cute. It literally looks like one of those cartoons. And then got Sylvia over here. What's on the other side? More Sylvias. Oh, and Mira-san's race car. They tested that last year, remember? Look at that. That's sick, dude. But come on. Baby GTR is just so cool. Oh, shoot. This is pretty wild. This is at the Pandem booth here at Tokyo Auto Salon. Obviously S15, but this is, I think, a new kit from Rocket Bunny. Look at that. Ooh, Rocket Bunny stuff. Funny, I actually introduced Mira-san to this ACM, aluminum composite material. And I'm not sure if you guys remember, I used to make my aero parts with that. I still do. I just haven't had time to make more new ones, but pretty cool, huh? He uses it on a bunch of these panels right here. This kit's pretty cool. It's kind of nice to see a change. Like, see all this right here, the squared off fenders? Mira-san's been doing that a lot lately with a lot of his new body kits. Nitrous. Cool. Rear diffuser. That's pretty wild, man. That fitment's sick. And then, obviously, his race car over here. I'm not sure if this is actually running now, but he was testing it last year at the track. Yo, check out the FL5 at HKS. It's got the typical HKS livery. Sweet aero. I'm not sure who makes the aero, but it looks pretty dope. Carbon. Dope wheels. I can't go in there right now because they're working on the car or the booth, but pretty sweet, man. I always love their liveries. Wheel fitment's pretty on point. This thing is slammed. Nice. GR Yaris. Look how small this is compared to the GR Corolla. More aero. Oh, that's carbon wrap. That's not carbon. Nice. I like it. I want one. Too bad we don't have these in the States. Look at Mitsubishi with the original booth design award. That's so cool. They have a bunch of these little K truck, K vans, K box cars. I don't know what the heck this one's actually, but this is a pretty cool booth. Looks like a Japanese temple shrine shindig. Look at this top secret wheel on the GTR. That's pretty different. Wow. This gold is pretty insane. Look at this whole collection of gold cars. Gold 34, gold 33, gold 32. Wild. This new gold they're doing, it's super vibrant. Not sure if you guys seen, there they are. Like the OG gold is more of like a, typical gold that you'll see. Pretty sick, dude. Top secret, they always have cool shit. Ooh, that is one clean Sawyer. Hard to find these things clean these days. Sick. More red cars. OG FRS. New Gen 86. I totally forgot what car this is. What is this? Crown? E92 drift car. 34. Pretty cool. That's a wide ass body. I don't think I've ever seen that kit before. That's wild, dude. I like it. More baby cars at TAS. Look at this Supra-ish car. Because it's maybe it's a Honda. What is it? It says it's not a clue. What do you guys think of polished TEs? Look at that. Ooh, sexy. On a white car? Maybe I should polish some TEs. Polish my white set. Here are some OEM cars that are super bougie. Carrera GT. Sick. These things sound pretty insane. You got a F40 LM, I think. These guys have been here multiple years, actually, so yeah. There's like a couple of guys that bring the same cars, but what are you really gonna do? Another Carrera GT. Pretty cool. What a flex. Here's a Toyo Tires booth. We got an AMG GT3 right here. Pretty sick. Got the Toyo livery. I always like the Toyo livery. Super cool. We don't use it enough in the States. We got this, what is this? LBX. We don't have these in the States. And then Moontech did this GT3 Touring. It's like OE plus, nothing too crazy. It's got, what is this, Proxys Sport 2? Or what are we using on here? It is the, looks like Sport 2s. Nice. And then this is our new Sport 2 tire, by the way. So we had the Proxys Sport, and then we have the Sport 2s. This is actually what I use for the Genesis. Pretty nice in the rain, but still grippy for summer use. Yo, we got Toyo swag. I didn't know we had Toyo swag. We got hats, towel, Patches? Stickers? What is this? Like a little container thing. I don't know what an LBX is, so let's just walk around and check it out. Kind of looks like a HRV or something. Fancy. I like that plate. Blue wheels. I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but it's blue and then it goes white. It doesn't help that we have blue lights shining right on it. Here's the back end of that GT3.